Good morning. Today is April 27, and I have my young bird. It's a cannibal bloodline. I think this is 75% cannibal bloodline. This is a cock, and the ring number is 8. 86429. 86429. It is a cock. Look at the feather. Look at the feather. He is a YB. It's about I think it's already about almost look at the bird, the feathers shaking. That's the sign of one of the bird that good for the flyer, and this is his feather. Bird feather. The right side, and this is the left side here. You see it's shaking. It's almost 2 months old and white. You got a white feather, 2 white feather. After the 5 feather, 6 and 7, there's 2 white feather. And this is the eye of the bird. I know this bird is good. I want this bird to be one of the record. It's a champ bird bloodline with the cannibal. This is a cock. That's right there. That's him. Okay, I'm gonna get the hen. It's still baby cry. Look, this is the hen. I know it's right now. This is the hen. You see the eyebrow with white eyebrow on both sides. Hen. This is the hen. Okay. And the band number is 86428. 86428, and the other one 86429. So same thing. They're shaking the fly. See, they really need to fly on this bird. You know. Like this way. See? Man, this bird is one piece. This is the hen. Okay. Hope one day this bird they're gonna make a difference. We just don't know, but I'm sure they have a good bloodline. All right. Thank you for watching.